What is she doing?
I have no idea. Wow, what a legend! You don't get that in England, do you? I'm not sure what that lane is for. I don't know if that's like the giveaway lane, I don't know, but what a beautiful person. Alexi, what's he doing?
What?
Oh, he's doing okay.
He's going into the other lane, isn't
He's going to go on that bike and go into the petrol station. Alexi, what is he doing?
Squeezing through.
These Irish people are funny, aren't they?
Forward.
No, Nanny.
You don't want it now?
Yeah.
He wasn't paying attention, was he?
Yeah.
Why are you stopping?
There's a man trying to cross. That person didn't stop. I'm being nice. That's what I'm doing, Alexi. You need to use your eyes when you're driving.
Oh, I couldn't see the crossing.
You need to use your eyes when you're driving. Alexi, what's that?
Pig?
Huh?
The pigs?
No, that's nasty. Why is he in the outside lane when there's nothing else in the other lanes?
Oh, that's true.
It's a BMW driver.
So it is.
Lol.
Oh, we need to.
Oh, no way.
Yes, way.
You're not going to stop there, are you? You mental case. That is just not normal. That is not normal, man. The fuck is wrong with her? Do you want to clap, Alexi? Thank you. Now call him a dickhead.
Dickhead.
Thank you.
Big girl.
Baby.
Should we call that a red light?
Yeah, it's definitely a red light for both of them.
No, I'll let that van off, but that Audi I'm not going to let off.
Town council, they were collecting money for us up and I remember that.
Cheeky little fucker.
Didn't they? Patience. He's giving the hazard.
Does that mean thank you or sorry?
I'm not sure.
It could be neither. Look at that. Is it? That's not parked there, is it? No, that's not parked.
You were getting beeped at.
He beeped at me
Yeah.
when he was to the left of me.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
What is she doing?
I have no idea. Is that a spare wheel in the back just rolling around?
Yeah, I told you that earlier. I said there's a wheel just going like this.
Oh, right, lovely, cheers.
What was the point in that then?
He's paid for me. Lovely little Irish man.
Look, see the arrow?
Yeah,
It's going right.
yeah.
So cars in theory can come up this way. So
Yeah.
where they are, they're meant to come up, and where we are, we can turn right.
Yeah.
So they're all on the wrong side of the road, basically, then.
We're going to have to find out now, aren't we?
Well, it looks like it, doesn't it? Yeah, it is, because the arrow down there, it says you could turn right here. Like, going straight or right, yeah?
I'm just going to stay silent until the road's clear and then we can have a proper look.
They're all on the wrong side of the road. Put it that
there
way.
might be two arrows.
They're on the wrong side of the road.
I feel like the odd one out. I think we should join them. I think we should join
Yeah,
them.
but they are though.
But it
aren't
might
they?
not be. It might not be. No, it is. There's a stop bit just there, and I can see it. It says stop, but it's facing that way. So that is. No, we are doing it right. We're going to continue doing it right.
Yeah, and they're doing it wrong.
No, they are.
See?
Naughty little Irishman. Is he going to do it?
Huh?
He's going to do it. Is that a boss as well?
Yep. Oh, hi.
They're dodgy right there. They think,
You are.
there's no way you can like see what's coming. There's corners everywhere, Alex.
I
Being
know.
mental.
But these supposed to be over in that
Yeah, they should be over that lane, but they're fucking idiots. Steamed up windows as well. That's just not normal, is it? There's no reason why these two in front. That van, he's been in the middle lane for like the entire journey.
Yeah, if you drive past that.
We'll do a time lapse and see how long he actually stays there.
Alright.
Oh, I thought he was going to do it then. He's just swerving. I thought he was actually going to come over. He won. We'll go back to our time lapse. I got bored, Alexei.
Yeah.
He's not going to move over there.
No.
Have a look, see if he's catching, because he can't drive in a straight line. Is he sucking his fun?
No, he was picking his nose.
Nice. That's the reason you stay in the middle lane, Alexei.
There's that.
Knobhead!
Called middle lane puggers.
They're called knobheads.
Bed.
What is it done that for? Do you see what I mean? They're fucking idiots, aren't they? Go past with your middle finger up. That was my booty. I'm going to save that one. I'm proud of that. That was a good time, wasn't it?
What?
See it?
Dirty bitch! Oh, you can't see his nipple either, look.
You need to do better than that. You need to really give it some grunt.
What?
Dirty!
No, I do like a high pitched dirty. Yeah.
These lights change green. They didn't go orange. They just go green.
They flash, didn't they?
No. Look, they just go green. Isn't that so much easier? It's stop or go. And they got better red lights than us. Because that's actually red, isn't it? It's not like a dull, like nasty, boring colour.
Yeah, that is orange now.
What does that mean?
Go.
Are you sure?
Well, yeah, because it ain't green, is it? That's where the green's supposed to be. Told you they flash.
We need to educate ourselves on how to drive in Ireland.
Did it?
He did.
He did.
Was that a red light or not?
It was a red light.
I
Because
don't
it got
know.
two arrows. One going up, one going right. And it was red.
I don't know. I don't understand the lights everywhere.
It would have been like that. But it wasn't like that, yeah?
They're going through a red light then. No, that's a
No,
green light.
because they're going right, yeah?
Yeah.
But it was like red, so like our arrow was going straight up and his arrow wasn't green yet.
I don't know.
So he went for a red light.
Okay.
Naughty Irish person.
We're gonna have to get a view of that one. People likes the old cars. That is an old car. The people are now happy.
Are they?
They should be. Why didn't he just reverse in this little spot here if he needed to go round baby girl? Oh, is that the police up there? What's going on? What's occurred? I'm going to turn around here because I don't want to wait behind him because he doesn't seem to know what he's doing. Sometimes you can do this. Oh, well we can't, I'm literally lost. I've got no idea where I'm going now. That was the only way back to our little house and Google help!
What was the point in that? What are you doing?
Washing my legs. Oh. Is that okay with you? I mean, do you mind if I wash my legs?
It was just a bit weird, wasn't it? Like,
I've been on muddy roads, yeah, I probably got dirt, I don't want dirt.
Well, no, but why, if it's cleaning your lights, why is it squirting your windscreen?
Because it just jet washes the lights and the water sprays everywhere. I don't want dirt cooking on them.
Yeah, but how can you turn the lights? Oh, you got little knobby things down there too.
Yeah, have a look, I'll show you.
I get out, it's cold. What happened to my foot rub the other night anyway?
I'll give you a foot rub tonight. Just be quick. I'll keep the seats warm for you. I'm so fucking evil. £1 for 2 hours.
Well, that's good.
That's a bargain, isn't it?
That is good.
Consider how much is it up here? Like £3, something, £4 for an hour?
Yeah. Oh.
Bargain.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
I like that.
I do at all.
I will happily pay £1 because there's a pound, not a euro, yeah?
Yeah, it's our money. So I'll take this in with me then to pay for when we get out, yeah?
Hang on.
Huh?
Yeah, hang on.
Well, where's the car parking?
I don't know, Alexi. I think we've gone past it. We've made a mess, haven't we?
What the hell?
I don't know. We're going to have to do something a bit silly. But... Yeah, shut up, Google. Shut your fucking mouth.
Oh, dear. Is this...
I don't know. Is that the only car park or is there an upstairs? 125. There's an inside car park, Alexi.
There is.
Then why didn't you tell me?
I didn't see it. I think we're all so happy with paying £1 for 2 hours.
I might park in that space over there. What do you reckon?
Whatever you want.
That was a little bit confusing, to be fair.
It was. Can we park here? There's double yellows in it.
No.
No?
Everyone else is parked here, so I'm assuming, yeah.
Well, if you need to move, just call me and let me know you're in, what do you call it?
Oh, I'm staying in a car.
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, do you want to come in?
Not really. Yeah, that's so easy. It must be like, I don't know, I didn't see it on the way down. I didn't see it.
Where do you put it? Oh, hello.
Nationalities? English.
English, British.
Alright. How many of you travelling?
2.
Okay.
Well, that was scary.
Why?
I don't know, he just appeared out of anywhere, like, thought he was going to take me flowers.
You didn't look hard enough, she got a bag of weed under your seat.
It's that.
She's a ketty whore.
A what?
Ketty whore.
What's a ketty whore?
Ketamine.
Oh, right, okay.
Crackhead.
But why would you be a whore at the same time?
Ketty whore. He's coming back, he's coming back.
Dude, I don't want to take my flowers.
Why would they take your flowers? It's immigration.
That's true, yes. Yeah.
Are your flowers immigrants?
They're Irish. Oh, don't you got me panicking about my flowers now?
But since it falls onto